I'm going to be completely honest with you. Our main agenda for this Philippines trip, it left us a bit queasy.
If you have seen our previous video on Lenten rides, you know exactly what he means. Fascinating? Yes. Forgettable? Never. But was it pleasant? Not exactly.
If you missed it, go watch that first. Then come back here when your stomach has settled. We desperately needed a palate cleanser. We needed to fill our eyes with something other than red.
You have to realize the Philippines has over 7,641 islands. Out of the 7,000 possibilities, we chose Bohol.
Did we make the right choice? Maybe this video can tell you. Our first stop was the iconic Chocolate Hills. And I'll be honest, when we first pulled up, it looked like a total tourist trap.
And if you just look at it from a certain angle, it doesn't immediately feel fascinating. It just looks like random bumps in the distance.
But wait for it. Once you get to the viewpoint, it looks like 1700 small Hershey's Kisses dropped in the jungle.
These are actually limestone deposits. This whole area was once under the sea. Eventually, tectonic plate movements form these marine limestone hills.
Because of that limestone, trees don't grow on top. They are just covered with grass. In the summer, the grass dries up and becomes brown. And that's the chocolate look.
Go early, not just for the crowd, but for the drone. As the tourist head count increases, they actually set up jammers.
Yeah, there is a board now that shows drones are not allowed after 8 am. If you want those shots, you'll have to beat the jammers. You'll have to climb some steps. It's not a lot, but the view from the top is where the fascinating part actually happens.
Next was the man-made forest. It's a 2-kilometer stretch of densely planted mahogany trees.
Again, at first glance, it's just a lot of tourists fooling around in the road. But if you find the right spot, and this is where the drone helps, it's very serene.
It's a large area, so people are generally spread out. The temperature drops the moment you enter the canopy. It's a great spot to just breathe and click a few photographs.
This was the highlight for me, the Tarsier Sanctuary. These are an endangered species native to only Philippines.
They're so tiny. They are the smallest primates in the world. They literally fit in your hand.
They are nocturnal and very shy. You're not supposed to make noise or use camera flash. And no matter how cute they look, don't touch them. They are wild animals.
The staff here is great. Unlike other countries where a photo might cost $50, here they'll take your phone and click photos for you from a distance for a voluntary tip.
Most importantly, they don't keep pet tarsiers for you to hold. They respect the natural habitat and try to prevent human interaction as much as possible.
By this time, we were starving. Our driver suggested the floating restaurant on the Lobok River. Again, we were skeptical. We thought it would be another tourist trap.
We went reluctantly, but it turned out to be one of the best experiences.
There's live music and karaoke on the boat. And for my fellow vegetarians, there were options and the food was surprisingly good.
If you have done Kerala boat rides, it's very similar but much quieter. It feels isolated and exclusive. On the way back to Panglao, we stopped at an old Spanish church. Unfortunately, we reached too late and it was already closed.
We had to peek through the window. So, if you want to see the interior, make sure you cover this early in the day.
And finally, we headed to Panglao and stayed at a resort on Alona Beach.
One of the best beaches. But a warning, the dirt you see on the water is actually dried kelp. It's natural, so don't let it bother you.
But do watch out for sea urchins. If you are going into the water, you must wear padded water shoes. Protect your feet.
We spent the rest of our time relaxing and having ice cream almost every hour. It was perfect end to our Bohol trip.
So, did we choose the right island? Absolutely. But the real adventure was just the beginning.
If you want to see how we managed to swim with the giants of the sea, the whale sharks, click the video right here on the screen.
Thanks for watching We the Trippers. See you in the blue.